Next on High Tide.
Dad, what's going on?
Whatever happens, it's probably not what it seems.
I don't think he's dead, Frank.
I want you guys to find my dad.
Carmen, we're all yours.
We are investigating the Manetti case.
Where is he?
Cardoza has put a contract out on me.
The Godfather thinks Manetti is still alive.
You saying this is some revenge thing?
We're trying to piece together a lot of very confusing information.
I know how to make him crawl out from under his rock.
Look at that! That guy's being kidnapped!
Let's go.
What?
Come on, we're here.
Where?
What time did you get in last night?
Definitely before 4.
You're gonna burn out before you're 30, pal.
Oh, that's funny. I thought you were my brother, not my mother.
I am your brother, smartass. I'm also your partner. In case you forgot, partners look after partners. Come on.
Thank you for reminding me, mister.
And they can only do that if they're alert, not hungover and sleep deprived.
Have I ever let you down?
No, I want to keep it that way.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. Next time I'm on a case, I'll definitely be in by 2.
How about 12?
1.
12:30.
12:45.
Fine, come on.
Hi, Camille.
Camille?
You know, I've always wondered if Jay and Camille, you know...
Absolutely not. I have a very strict policy about becoming romantically involved with my employees.
It's a rather long nose hair, Jay.
Very funny.
So, Jay, what's up? Oh, pardon the pun.
Hilarious.
Come on, get up.
I've got this real estate client, Ray Manetti. Bought one of my biggest listings about 6 months ago. And he's a hell of a nice guy. We became friends. Yesterday, his daughter tells me that he's come up missing.
How long's he been missing?
2 days.
Were the cops on it?
Nothing so far. So Carmen, that's the daughter, she asked me if I knew anybody that might help her find him, and I told her about you guys.
Hi, Jay.
How are you?
Hanging in there.
Now you wake up.
Carmen, these are the private investigators I was telling you about. This is Mick and Joe Barrett. Carmen Manetti.
Hi, Carmen.
Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. Hi. My father was a syndicate lawyer in New York for 15 years, and he finally got out last year because of his own legal nightmares.
What kind of legal nightmares?
Sometimes he manipulated the system, everything from jury tampering to perjury.
So, you think the syndicate had something to do with his disappearance?
I have no doubts. He wanted to get out years ago, but they threatened his life, and he kept putting it off.
You told the police.
Yes, and the FBI.
And?
And they're looking into it. Taking too long. Look, I want you guys to cut some corners and find my dad.
Hi, Mick and Joe Barrett, private investigators. We're looking for Bambi Preston.
You found her.
Oh. We are investigating the Ray Manetti case. Can we ask you a few questions?
Ask away.
Can you tell us what you saw?
Well, like I told the police, a guy was just jogging by and the rear door opened to the limousine. And this big guy got out, shoved the guy in the car, and then just drove off. I gave the police a license plate number and a description of the man.
Yeah, the police found the car this morning. It was stolen from L.A. Anything else?
No, I'm sorry.
If you think of anything else, give us a call, would you?
Sure.
Thanks. Can we go now?
Huh? Yes. Yes. So what's our next move?
Let's go talk to Carmen again.
Yeah.
You like that?
I understand. I'll take care of it. Get Mikey and Bruno. I have a job for you up in Santa Barbara.
Santa Barbara? Just getting acclimated to Bel Air. Right, Bruno?
The Godfather thinks Ray Manetti is still alive.
I don't think Manetti's that smart.
You know what, Mikey? Your opinion doesn't matter right now.
Like it ever mattered, right, Frank?
Either you go up there, find Manetti and whack him, or I find someone else. Your choice.
Same old tune, huh, Frank? All right. Where do we start?
Where you always start. Find his woman.
Oh, hi, Bambi. Where's your boyfriend, Ray Manetti?
Ray Manetti, what are you talking about?
Lady, don't play games with me. I don't like it. Now, you tell me where he is, or this can get a lot worse.
Ow, you're hurting me.
Is he alive?
Ow.
Where is he?
I don't know. He wouldn't tell me.
If you're lying, say a prayer.
Oh, my God, I was so worried.
I know, baby. I know. I'm sorry. Come here, sit down. See, the plan was that I would disappear for just a while, so I wouldn't have to testify before the grand jury. See?
You faked the kidnapping.
It was the only way I could figure to keep from dying.
Well, I'm glad you did. But isn't being here now dangerous, Dad?
Baby, Cardoza has put a contract out on me.
You're saying goodbye.
Do you trust your old man?
Of course, but Dad, there must...
Listen to me. I want you to remember that whatever happens, it's probably not what it seems.
Dad, you're not making any sense. What's going on?
Look, honey, I've told you too much already. Now, you gotta go. I do love you, baby.
I love you.
Now, go on, go on. You be careful. You hear me?
Carmen, I'm sorry to hear about your father.
Thanks, Joe. But I don't think he's dead.
Maybe you better start from the start, Carmen.
So he faked his own kidnapping?
Yes. He said it was the only way to stay alive.
But that doesn't mean that he is.
No. But he said something else. Something about no matter what happens, things may not be what they seem.
Carmen, why would he then fake his own death?
I don't know. But it sounds like something he'd do.
Police and the Coast Guard are investigating the explosion right now. That's going to give you your answer.
I know, but until that happens, I want to keep you guys on retainer.
Well, hey, Carmen, we're all yours.
Thanks, Joe. I don't know what I'd do without you guys.
Earth to grow.
What?
Stay with the program, okay?
Yeah. I can't help but think that she's in some kind of denial about her dad.
You think Manetti was on that boat, right?
Some people saw him on there right before it blew up.
I'll check with Ortega. See what he found out.
You know, I think I'm going to check on that fitness instructor again. What was her name?
Bambi?
Bambi.
Don't get lost in the forest, dump her.
Excuse me. Hi, do you know where Bambi Preston is?
I think she's outside.
Really?
Yeah.
Hi. I'm still investigating that crime, kidnapping. I was wondering if you remembered anything else.
No, I don't.
No? Because we're trying to piece together a lot of very confusing information.
Look, I told you what I saw, so why don't you just leave me the hell alone?
Hey, Luis, anything?
Afraid not, amigo. A lot of wood fragments and no body. Doesn't mean no one died in that explosion. I gotta tell you, Miguel, that was one hell of a blast.
So what'd your lab guys say?
They picked up enough stuff to determine if anyone was on board, but it'll take some time.
How long?
3, 4 days.
Mike, get me Frank.
Yeah?
Manetti's boat blew up today. Supposedly he was on it.
Supposedly?
Yeah, I don't think he's dead, Frank. I think it's another scam.
So what's your next move?
I know how to make him crawl out from under his rock.
Wow, you know, this is great.
Thanks. I really love it here. It gives me such a sense of peace I never had in New York.
You know, Carmen, it amazes me that you've lived here this long and you and I have never met.
I'm pretty low-key, I guess.
No boyfriend?
Not anymore.
Oh.
Oh, and what about you? I bet you're a major party guy.
Oh, no. No, I like to get lots of rest. You know, gotta be sharp for my job.
All right.
Mm. You know these guys?
No.
Police officers. Are you Carmen Manetti?
Yes, does this have something to do with my father?
Yes, ma'am, it does.
Can I see some ID, please?
Sure thing.
.6'2", 200 pounds, black hair, both of them, and they wore suits. Thanks. Definitely not from around here.
What about their car?
Late model Mercury sedan, gold.
Okay, to start. You were lucky, Joe.
Yeah, what about Carmen?
We'll find her.
Joey, you all right?
Yeah.
His lucky day, Miguel. Just a flesh wound. Listen, guys, I'm gonna call this in. You take care of yourself, man.
Thanks, Luis.
What happened to Carmen?
These two guys, ID'd themselves as cops. Shot me.
Did you see any ID?
I didn't get a chance. Man, I should have seen it coming.
Look, don't start blaming yourself.
I was the one who was supposed to watch her.
What are you talking about? They almost killed you.
They didn't even look like cops, man. They were wearing Armani suits. Anyway, look, we gotta find Carmen, man.
Wait a minute. What'd the paramedics say?
The bullet just grazed me. No big deal.
Tough guy.
Yeah, well. Come on, let's find Carmen.
Okay. First, we find a doctor.
No, listen, I'm gonna be
Hey, shut up. We're gonna find a doctor, and then we're gonna go talk to Bambi again.
Hey, wait a minute. I saw Bambi, and, I saw her in the parking lot, and she was talking to some guy. He looked familiar, but I can't be sure.
Come on, doctor first. Joey, she's here.
What?
Bambi has entered the forest. Miss Preston! Sorry to bother you. Can we talk to you again?
Look, you guys, no more questions.
Look, I'm gonna cut to the chase here. It's a little more important than inconveniencing you.
Do you know this guy?
No, I don't.
You're lying.
You don't know Ray Manetti.
Look, I don't know Ray Manetti, okay?
I saw you talking to him yesterday in the parking lot.
Fine, you don't know Ray Manetti. You just told Ray that his daughter was kidnapped last night. You got that?
Yeah, that's right. We think Manetti's old mafia cronies took her because they don't think he's dead, and so they're using her to flush him out.
I'm sorry, but I just can't help you right now.
Fine, but just remember one thing. If anything happens to Carmen, it's gonna be your fault. And I'm gonna make sure you pay for it.
If you change your mind, call us.
She's lying. Why don't you let me squeeze her some more? She would have given in.
I know she's lying. She's probably gonna contact Ray, tell him about Carmen. She'll be calling us any minute. Mick.
Hey, Miguel.
Oh, hey, Luis.
Nothing new on those two phony cops or their car. We're still looking, though. How's Joe doing?
Oh, he's got a little scar and a big story. He's fine.
Good news. I'll keep in touch. Hasta la vista.
Oh, okay, fine. Saw Luis was worried about you.
Anything on Carmen?
No.
Right.
Mr. Barrett! I know where Ray is!
Please understand one thing, gentlemen. I want no authorities involved in this. Is that clear? No police, no FBI. I know what happens when federal forces are brought into a case like this.
Mr. Manetti, that's not a good idea.
You've got to understand these people, Mr. Barrett. If they even suspect federal involvement, they will kill my baby.
Just a minute here. How do you want us to handle it?
I will trade myself for her. That's what they want, and that's what I will give them.
Ray, I was a cop for almost 15 years. Mick was a cop for 10. We know a little bit about this.
And what? You think they'll kill Carmen anyway?
Yeah.
No, I know them, Jay. Ruthless, sure, but if Frank Cardoza gives his word that Carmen will not be harmed, they will honor that promise.
So what will they do with you?
They will kill me.
Because they know you want to testify against them.
Been preparing for that since the day I left New York.
So you don't plan on dying anytime soon?
If that's the only way to save my daughter, then I'm fully prepared to do that.
Then we have to come up with a plan where nobody dies.
Hey! What do we get to eat?
Princess give you any trouble?
Hey, how would you know if there's trouble with those damn things on your head, huh? Yeah.
This is Ray Manetti. Who is this?
Hello, Ray. How you doing? It's Michael. Long time no see.
Where's Frank?
Forget about Frank. I'm running this. You talk to me.
Mikey, put my daughter on, then we'll talk.
It's your old man. You be nice.
Daddy?
Sweetheart, now listen to me. Stay calm, all right? I'm gonna get you out of there, I swear. I'm sorry about this whole thing, baby. I'm gonna make it up to you.
It's very touching, Ray. Carmen stays alive as long as you go with the program. Got a pencil and paper?
Yeah.
There is a bar on Main Street called Rikers. You meet me in the alley behind the building in 2 hours.
Mikey, I want your word that it's me for Carmen.
Of course you have my word, Ray.
I don't trust this guy. He's no Frank Cardoza. We'll be right with you.
Hello, Ray.
Hey, Mikey. Where's Carmen?
Doesn't matter. What are you doing?
Wait! Put it down!
Can't do it, guys.
Put it down!
Shut your mouth. I'm running the show here. Carmen is still alive. But should anything happen to me, she's gone. You got that, tough guys?
Damn. He took every round right in the chest.
You're lucky the guy was a good shot.
You okay, Ray?
Easy, buddy. Easy.
Kicked in the chest by a horse. What happened?
He shot you, and he shot his partner.
What about Carmen?
She wasn't with him.
Oh, we're red guys.
It's okay. We're gonna find her. Don't worry about it, Ray. We'll find her.
Sitters, no, I gotta get out. Jay, what are we gonna do, man?
Take it easy. Take it easy. Just take it easy.
Yeah. His name's Bruno Ponticelli. He's got 5 credit cards here with other people's names on it.
Probably stole them. Why don't you take the names and numbers, we'll see if we can trace this other guy through.
Bruno. Yeah, Ponticelli, you know him?
Yeah, he's been in the syndicate since he was 13. He's Bonducci's partner.
Well, who the hell is this Bonducci? Why would he kill his partner?
Why? Wait a second. Bonducci was one of Cardoza's main soldiers. He was in line for a big promotion. Then when the territory came up, Cardoza gave it to another guy.
Wait a minute, you're saying this has nothing to do with Carmen? This is some revenge thing?
Yeah. And my Carmen's caught in the middle.
Good.
Yeah?
Hey, Frankie, it's Michael. I didn't wake you, did I?
I'm having my breakfast, Mikey. What do you got for me?
I popped Manetti.
Good. Good job, Mikey. Clean it up and come home.
Well, I can't do that quite yet. Bruno's dead.
Bruno? What the hell happened?
I whacked him, jerk off. That clear enough for you?
What are you doing, Mikey?
I have all the tapes that Manetti was going to turn over to the feds. And I am in a selling mood.
If this is some kind of joke, I'm not laughing.
You're not laughing, huh? Not like you were laughing when you passed me over for capo, right, Frank?
You're a dead man.
And you shut up and listen! I am not your gosh damn flunky anymore. You meet me on the jogging path under the pier. You bring $5 million in cash if you want those tapes.
$5 million? You're crazy. I can't raise $5 million.
Bring the money, Frank.
How do I know you have the tapes?
Because Manetti's daughter got them for me. And she is right here with me. Wake up. Wake up. Get up. Get up. You tell him what we talked about.
This is Carmen Manetti. I gave him the tapes.
11 o'clock, Frank. Oh, and listen. Anything happens to me, those tapes go straight to the feds. Drive carefully, Frank.
Mikey! Damn it! Son of a bitch!
Why didn't you report this, Mick? You know how kidnappings are played. You call the feds and then you call the police.
Lieutenant, it was my call.
I don't give a damn whose call it was. You have 2 ex-cops here who should know better.
Listen.
No, don't listen. You got one guy in the morgue and your daughter is still a hostage. Does that tell you anything?
Yeah. We screwed up. Now what about Carmen Manetti?
I contacted the FBI. They're flying a team in on the red eye from D.C. Now, from now on, this is their show. Comprende?
Cocktails, anyone?
Sure.
The feds will never get Carmen back alive.
Yeah, besides, they're not going to be here until tomorrow morning. We can't just sit around and do nothing till then.
Hey, do you still have those credit cards of Bruno's?
Yeah, right here. All I need is a computer.
Be my guest.
Okay. So out of these 5 cards, 4 of them have been deactivated. The remaining one is registered to... John Carpenter. Okay, the card was last used... at... Moonlight Motel in Ventura. Let's go. Let's check it out.
Oh, we got lucky.
Hey, Mick, check this out. This guy sure liked Giofino's pizza.
Let's go talk to Giofino.
Pier.
Mikey! Mikey! "5 seconds, I'm gone, Mikey."
Where's the money?
No money. But I've got a business proposal for you.
Yeah, what kind of proposal?
A promotion to capo.
Capo, huh? Gee, Frank, what I've wanted for a long time.
You deserve it, Mikey.
Yeah, well, it's too late. I'd rather kill you.
Okay. I'll get on this guy. You circle around back, see if you can find the shooter.
Oh, thanks.
Put the gun down.
What, are you crazy? There's a guy out there trying to kill me.
Give me the gun. Come on, get up. Hey, Joey, you okay?
Oh, yeah. Can't say the same for this guy, though.
You'll never guess who this is.
Marlon Brando?
Frank Cardoza. Hey, so what about Carmen? Anything?
I don't know. Let's ask this guy. Where is she?
Talk to my lawyer.
Ah! Oh, rip it off. Where is she?
Hey, Joey, wait a minute. You hear something? Joey, pop the trunk.
Oh, my God.
Are you okay?
I've never been so happy to see anyone in my whole life.
High Tide will be back.
Carmen.
Oh, God. Thought I was never going to see you again. Are you okay?
Yeah. Thanks to Mick and Joey. I thought for sure I was gonna die.
There's no words to express my gratitude. Just know that if you ever need me for anything, I'm there.
Be careful, Ray. We may take you up on that.
How about right now?
Name it.
Well, I'd like to take your daughter Carmen out for dinner tomorrow night, if that's all right.
Carmen, what do you think? Can we trust this man to take care of you?
I accept the invitation on one condition.
Anything.
No Italian food.
Hey, Louie.
You guys don't listen too well. The feds are all over my ass about you obstructing justice.
What are you talking about? We got Carmen back.
Yeah, and I'm glad, but the feds still want me to arrest you.
Oh, you're kidding me, right?
Yeah, he's kidding. I mean, look at his face.
Sorry, guys. No joke.
Well, guess your date's off.
Next on High Tide.
Ghost was in the bedroom. I couldn't breathe. And when I looked around, she was gone.
The ghost tried to suffocate Nicole last night.
Joey, tell you about what's been going on around here.
You know, there's a perfectly logical explanation for all of this.
Yeah, there's something going on. A storm's coming and my wife's imagination's working overtime.
Tell me you didn't see that.
What's going on down here?